When you think about manufacturing and you think about Rockford, I really think you think manufacturing's in Rockford's DNA. We have incredibly hardworking people who take pride in the work that they do. So we have amazing companies who have really worked to move with the times in manufacturing. I mean, today's manufacturing is not my father's manufacturing, and certainly my father's wasn't my grandfather's manufacturing. So I think we've been innovative, we've been adaptable to today's manufacturing, and one thing that's been consistent throughout that is we have tremendous people who have really hard work ethic. I mean, you have sons of fathers who are in the business who have that incredible sense of pride about the work that they do. They pride themselves, I see two big things. One is quality work. Making sure that they are putting out the highest quality product that they possibly can. And then when you look at the culture that they have built in the business, and that culture comes from how they care for their people. And that just builds this sense of loyalty, the sense of pride and ownership. And I would say you are starting to see our community dive back in, but in some newer directions, not just simply a vocational school. You are seeing businesses get more involved into our school system. If it's manufacturing day, they want to ensure that the young people who are coming out of the school system understand that manufacturing isn't what it once was. And I think that transition, I would say the perception of manufacturing probably has not changed as quickly as the reality of manufacturing. So when you look at the workforce dollars that the city has to offer to businesses, when you look at the tax increment financing dollars that the city could potentially offer to businesses, I doubt most people really realize this, but we have prioritized manufacturing. It is at the very top of our list. So you rank higher as a business for dollars from our city if it is in manufacturing. And I think that goes to the point of how important manufacturing is to the city of Rockford.
So for my whole life, I've grown up here in Rockford. It's just been a part of my family, our culture here, and our culture in the community to be making things. This town is known for having tons of metalworking facilities, lots of manufacturing going on here. AME's kind of led for a long time in this area. What we do here and our type of business is really key to the community. There was one recession in 2008 where everybody felt it, and it was broader than manufacturing, but you could really tell like at that time, all the metalworking companies, all the manufacturers were really stressed out, wondering what they were gonna do, how to plan for the future. Is the work ever gonna come back? And then we've just been through an awesome season where everything's been really busy. And so it really shows like the resolve of the community, and it shows just how important manufacturing is to the Rockford area. You know, we've got our apprenticeship program, but it wouldn't be what it is without the RRVTMA. And we really want to make sure that the program fits the way our company works. So instead of like a canned program that the kids are going through and they're learning just only based off of the curriculum, we tailor make the curriculum to like what's going to make them most productive in our shop. Another good example of a program that's really helping manufacturing in the area is what's going on with NIU and Rock Valley College. They teamed up with NIU, and now you can, in Rockford, get a mechanical engineering degree. Your classes are at Rock Valley, but the program is kind of run through the NIU curriculum. You know, manufacturing in general is getting more digitized. So blending the manufacturing, the actual making of the product and running of the machines and the assembly with some of the digital technologies that are emerging. So I see Rockford getting a little bit more high tech. Not losing our ability to make things and our craftsmanship, but getting a little bit more high tech as far as the technology that's employed here in Rockford. When the time comes for new technology to have that perfect application for us, we want to be in a position to adopt that technology and use it to make the things that we make better.